Hi, this is Edward Reformina and may question ako para sa'yo. Alam mo ba kung ano yung nag-iisang strategy na ginagamit ng lahat ng mga successful online at internet marketers? This coming Saturday, November 8, may gagawin akong special training webinar kung saan ituturo ko at isi-share ko itong exact same marketing strategy na to. Ang pag-uusapan natin dito sa webinar na to ay all about email marketing strategy. Email marketing strategy, ito yung exact same strategy na ginagamit ko hanggang ngayon para makapag-build ng multiple 7-figure na businesses, para makapag-generate ng multiple 6-figure income per month. Okay? Kung nasa sales ka, kung mayroon kang business, okay? Kung nasa affiliate marketing ka, kung mayroon kang network marketing, or kung mayroon kang direct selling na business, marami kang matututunan dito sa webinar na to at ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano mo gagamitin itong email marketing strategy para makapag-generate ng maraming sales at para makapag-recruit ng mas maraming downlines or referrals. Okay? And kung hindi mo alam, lahat ng successful na online marketers ginagamit ang email marketing strategy sa business nila. Even kahit na yung mga successful talaga like Boss Sanchez, Jan Calub, they have this strategy in their business. So, make sure na maka-attend ka rin dito sa webinar training na to kung gusto mong malaman kung paano mo gagamitin itong email marketing strategy sa business mo. Okay? Kung gusto mong maka-attend dito sa webinar na to, ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay i-register yung email mo dito sa form na makikita mo sa kanan. Okay? Kapag ni-register mo yung email mo dyan, mapapadalang ka ng link kung saan mo mapapanood ng live yung training webinar na yun. Again, the webinar is going to be this coming Saturday, November 8 at 9 o'clock p.m. Philippine time. Okay? Kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, pwede kang umattend dito sa webinar training na to as long as may internet connection ka. Okay? So, I hope to see you this coming Saturday for this webinar, and one time ko lang gagawin to. First time kong ituturo itong strategy na to sa public, so don't miss this out. Okay? So, go ahead, register your email dito sa form makikita mo, and I hope to see you on the webinar this coming Saturday. See you.